Okay, let's go now to practice number 8. A person invests 10,000 pesos in a fund that earns 8% interest per year compounded annually. What will be the total amount after 5 years? So initial 10,000, annual interest 8%, years 5, the total amount. So geometric series, we have the amount is A times 1 plus R raised to N. Substitute now the given data. So you will have 10,000 plus 1.08 raised to the fifth power. The final answer is 14,693 pesos and 28 centavos. Number 9. A tree produces 100 fruits in its first year and the number of fruits doubles each year. How many fruits will the tree produce in the sixth year? So we're given first year 100 fruits and then doubles each year, and then what about on the sixth year? What's the number of fruits? So solution, geometric sequence. AN is equals to A1 times R raised to N minus 1. So we have 100 times 2 raised to 6 minus 1. The final answer is 3,200 fruits. Number 10. A bacteria culture triples in population every 3 hours. If the initial population is 500 bacteria, what is the total population after 5 intervals? So initial 500, triples every 3 hours. So population after 5 intervals. So geometric sequence, AN is equals to A1 times R raised to N. So 500 times 3 raised to 5, you will have 121,500 bacteria. MCQ for Lesson 23, Cracking Word Problems with Arithmetic and Geometric Series. Number 1. A chatter has 20 rows of seats. The first row has 15 seats and its subsequent row has 2 more seats than the previous row. How many seats are there in total? Letter A, 680, B, 710, C, 750, D, 790. Number 2. A person saves 200 pesos in the first week and increases the savings by 50 pesos each week. How much will he save after 10 weeks? A, 3,500, B, 3,750, C, 4,000, D, 4,250. Number 3. A staircase has 12 steps. The first step is 10 centimeters high, and each centimeter increases by 3 centimeters. What is the total height of the staircase? A, 210 centimeters, B, 222 centimeters, C, 234 centimeters, D, 318 centimeters. Number 4. A ball is dropped from a height of 8 meters. Each bounce reaches 1/2 of the previous height. What is the total vertical distance traveled after 5 bounces? Letter A, 15 meters, B, 18 meters, C, 20 meters, D, 23 meters. Number 5. A bookworm reads 5 pages on the first day, and each day she reads 3 more pages than the previous day. How many pages will she read in 15 days? A, 345 days, B, 360 pages, C, 375 pages, D, 390 pages. A bookworm here is a person who loves reading books. Number 6. A company installs 1,000 solar panels in the first year. Each year, the number of panels is installed is 80% of the previous year. How many panels are installed in total over 5 years? A. 3,520, B. 3,680, C. 3,840, D. 4,000. Number 7. A person invests 5,000 pesos in a business. Each year, his profit is 110% of the previous year's profit. If his first year's profit is 1,000 pesos, what is the profit after 4 years? A. 1,331 pesos. B. 1,464 pesos. C. 1,610 pesos. D. 1,750 pesos. Number 8. A farmer plants 10 trees in the first row and each subsequent row has 4 more trees than the previous. How many trees are in 12 rows? A. 364, B. 384, C. 496, D. 408. Number 9. A car depreciates 10% in value each year. If its initial value is 800,000 pesos, what is the total depreciation after 3 years? A. 216,000 pesos, B. 218,000 pesos, C. 220,000 pesos, D. 222,000 pesos. Number 10. A basketball bounces to a height of 3 meters initially. Each bounce reaches 3/4 of the previous height. What is the height of the fifth bounce? A. 0.95, B. 1.52 meters, C. 1.71 meters, D. 1.90 meters. Number 11. A ladder has steps that increase in height by 2 centimeters each step. If the first step is 12 centimeters high, there are 18 steps. What is the total height? A. 486 centimeters, B. 504 centimeters, C. 522 centimeters, D. 540 centimeters. Number 12. A company increases its monthly salary payments by 200 pesos each month. If the first month's payment is 5,000 pesos, how much is paid in total over 6 months? A. 33,000 pesos, B. 33,600 pesos, C. 34,200, D. 34,800 pesos. Number 13. A tree produces 100 fruits in its first year and the number doubles each year. How many fruits does it produce in the fifth year? A. 800, B. 1,000, C. 1,200, D. 1,600. Number 14. A savings account earns 5% interest compounded annually. If the initial amount is 10,000 pesos, what is the total after 3 years? A. 11,500 pesos, B. 11,576 pesos, C. 11,650 pesos, D. 11,762 pesos. Number 15. A ball is dropped from 6 meters. Each bounce reaches 2/3 of the previous height. What is the total distance traveled after 4 bounces? A. 15, B. 16 meters, C. 17 meters, D. 23 meters. Number 16. A person saves 500 pesos the first month, increasing the savings by 100 pesos each month. How much is saved in 12 months? A. 9,600, B. 9,900, C. 10,200, D. 12,600. Number 17. A stadium has 25 rows. The first row has 30 seats, and each subsequent row has 3 more seats than the previous row. How many seats are there in total? A. 1,200, B. 1,275, C. 1,350, D. 1,650. Number 18. A person reads 4 pages on the first day and doubles the number of pages each subsequent day. How many pages will she have read in 6 days? A. 252, B. 248, C. 244, D. 240. Number 19. A factory produces 200 units on the first day and increases production by 15 units daily. How many units are produced in 10 days? A. 2,350 pesos, B. 2,400 pesos, C. 2,450 pesos, D. 2,675 pesos. Number 20. A bouncing ball starts at 5 meters and reaches 80% of the previous height on each bounce. What is the total height after 6 bounces? A. 18.9 meters, B. 19.2 meters, C. 19.5 meters, D. 31.9 meters. The answer key for lesson 23, please proceed to lesson 24. And the answer key for lesson 22, how to find the sum of arithmetic and geometric series, is as follows. From number 1 to number 10. Take note that in number 7, the actual sum is 605, meaning it's not in the list. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. See you in our next lesson. Bye-bye.